Hey word workers, welcome to WordWork for another lesson on base words. In this video, you will learn some words related to one base word. Let's get started exploring the exciting world of base words. The base word in this video is read. Here are some words related to the base word. Readable, reader, readership, reading, reads, lip read, misreads, newsreader, non-reader, pre-read, proofread, reread. Now learn how to use each word in a sentence. She asked me to read her favorite story. The document is not readable because the font size is too small. My friend is an eager science fiction reader. The readership of the newspaper has increased under the new editor. Reading is a great way to improve vocabulary. She reads a book every morning while having her coffee. I couldn't hear what he was saying, so I tried to lip read. When she misreads the map, she takes the wrong turn. I know the newsreader who reads the evening news every night. My brother is a non-reader who prefers to watch movies. I like to pre-read my emails before opening them. Make sure to proofread your essay at least twice. I had to reread the book to fully understand the story. Now let's review. Read, readable, reader, readership, reading, reads, lip read, misreads, newsreader, non-reader, pre-read, proofread, reread. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.